Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some exciting news to share with you guys. Glowforge is doing their first true Black Friday deals, and this is the best sale that they've ever had on their Glowforge with the most money off that they've ever done. I think this brings it down to even cheaper than what the Glowforge Pro was originally released at. So if you are looking at getting a Glowforge, now is a pretty good time to save some money. Let me show you what you're all going to get here. You'll get $1,000 off the Pro, 500 off the Glowforge Plus, or 200 off of the Aura. Plus, you can get an additional savings of $500 off of the Pro and $250 off of the Plus. I don't think there's an additional one with the referral link for the Aura. And then they're giving away $250 in proof grade gift cards, free shipping, 3 months premium access, and then you can do their monthly flexible plans if you want to do that. So with all that said, once you use the referral link, you can get my referral link from any of my videos down below in the bottom section. So this video that you're watching right now, just make sure it looks like this right here. Click on it, and then you can click buy at the top of the first page, and it'll bring you here. Just make sure you get both discounts here. You get the $1,000 off plus the $500 off here, or you get the $500 off plus the $250 to get this amount here. And then if you want the Aura, you're only going to save the $200 that you don't get an extra discount on top of that. So just a heads up on that. But other than that, this is a great opportunity to grab yourself a Glowforge at a discounted price. I'm glad to see that they're doing something for Black Friday this year finally. And I thought I would share the exciting news with anybody who has been watching my videos, thinking about getting a Glowforge, or if you're brand new to the community and you want to get a Glowforge, now is a great time. Other than that, I hope this helped you out. I hope this saved you some money if you're in the market for one, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.